In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make round button in Elementor. So in order to do this, head over to your elementor.com website. Click on this login option if you wish to use the account that you already have, but if you do not have an account yet, click onto this get started option that we can see right here. Once you have done this, you first need to head over first to WordPress since we need to access WordPress since it will be used as a host for our Elementor. Click on the this get started option in order to log in or create an account on WordPress. But if you already have one, just head over and click on this login option. So this is the website that I have created using Elementor on WordPress. On my website, I have in here these two buttons, and then these two buttons are actually not round, they are actually rectangle. If I want to create a round button, what I can do is I can head over and you can just edit this, or you can add a new one. I'll head over and just edit this by clicking on this edit button right here. In here, you can choose a type. It can be default, info, it can be a success button, or anything that you wish to have. So for this case, you can go over to the style, and in here you can see the typography, text shadow, color, and in here you can see the border type. So you can choose solid, dotted, dash, or grow. In here you can also change the border radius. Let's change the right, and you can see it right here. It will actually increase. So it's more rounder now. So let's change it into 50. And as you can see, it's now a round button. So you can just change the border radius altogether in order to change the shape of this particular button that we have. Once you're done, click on this publish in order to publish the changes. So that's how you make round button in Elementor. I hope this video helped you out.